Today we're doing a project for the 2013 F150. This is a project that I've been dying to do for a while now. I've had it there, and we'll be putting on a Raptor Retrofit grill. Let's go take a look at what I got. So there are tons of videos on these 2013 Raptor grill. I believe it's 2009 to 2014 is the year for this. But I'm going to be doing mine a little bit different, color matching parts of the grill. So this particular grill does come with everything you need, and it also comes with the letters. So I believe this one and this one actually come off, and they come with an F and an R. And they also come with all the lights and the wiring harness and all the hardware. So if you're curious about where I got this grill, I did tons of research on it before I actually bought it, and it was the least expensive one on Amazon. So the link will be down below for you if you want to check it out. There's only a couple that I could get, considering this is the middle of COVID times. But hardware, wiring harness, and the F and the R. Grab a tack cloth, auto spray paint primer. This one's black. This is actually color matched spray paint. I didn't want to wait 2 weeks to get it online, so I called around to a couple of auto paint stores. They actually will mix it up for you and put it in a spray paint can. So what that means is it does not require a clear coat. First, gotta prep the grill, mask off what I don't want to spray, but let's get to it. Come here. You're a good puppy. So as you can see on the back of the lights here, just a couple screws, and they should pop right out, along with the letters as well. Alright, to prep for the primer layer, I'm just going to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol and some microfiber cloths. Alright, next step, tack cloth, wear a glove, tape. You can see there is there. You can just use masking tape. I want an extremely sharp line, so it's vinyl tape. It's what's actually used for like pinstripes on cars and two-tone paint, stuff like that. As you can see right here, 3/4 of an inch thick, something like that. Just mask off the rest of it and get it ready for paint, and then I can spray the primer. Alright, so black primer, mask, if you have one. And put on the rest of it, which is probably about another second coat, and then wet sand. Alright, so the wet sand's finally done. Need to kind of let it dry. Get the rest of this material off. Wipe it down a couple times. Another can of paint match, a gloss clear coat. First coat's on, wait 20 minutes and do another one. When I actually did the process, I changed it, so I ended up doing a couple different things. I ended up actually doing a gloss coat because I didn't end up liking the finish on the single stage the way it should have been, and the way the car actually has a nice gloss finish over it. So I ended up using black primer, 2 cans of color match, and then a gloss. Every time I'd let it dry and do another coat, I would use a tack cloth right after, or right before anyways. So let's check it out and see how it came out. But if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe and bell notification, and you'll get notifications when I post more videos. Stick around for the next one as I'm going to be installing it and the big reveal. Alright, catch you guys later.